Hello everyone, my name is Katarzyna, welcome to my channel. I do cosmetics and soaps since many years, and I decided to make this movie to show you why I use castor oil in my soaps, in cosmetics, and also why you should have at home your own castor oil, small like this. Maybe if you will do cosmetic for you also bigger, it's 1 liter, or maybe like me, this size. Well, each of them is exactly the same. It's castor oil, also known as a Ricinus communis oil in Latin. So if you will start from this, it will be really okay, and I will say to you in this movie why you should have it at home. But at first, okay, it's heavy. Well, it's a big bulk. So, since when people actually use this? We are not sure, but first written information from Egypt time. Yes, so long time ago. They were using this to push the big stones during the building process and to slide them in a more easy way. It's quite painful when you pay so much for 1 liter of oil, but well, it was a different time of the pyramid, you know, the pyramid, you know, long time ago, they were still using this. And it's really multi-use product. During the First World War, castor oil was the preferred lubricant for rotary engines, such as Gnome engine. It's used also in the production of new kind of petrol. I have no idea what's the name of it now. Shitty? Biodiesel, yes? It's a biodiesel. Yes, so now it's used also in a biodiesel. But well, I will not do a biodiesel. I will not work also with the engine of the aircraft. But what we can do at home? Well, at first, what is more maybe surprising for you, well, we can drink it. Maybe not directly like this, it's not really tasty. But why I speak about this? Long time ago, slaves in India colonies, when they were not working well enough, they were trying to avoid the work, or they were saying all the time that they have problems, they can't. Well, trust me, later everyone wanted to avoid this punishment, because it really was a punishment for the slaves. The same like for political opponents of Benito Mussolini. It was a favorite tool used by the black shirts to intimidate and humiliate their opponents. Political dissidents were forced feed large quantities of castor oil, and until today it's quite symbolic in Italy. I will say to you why in 1 minute. Now I will say to you that some women in hospitals all over the world, they are not really forced, but they do drink castor oil. Why? Well, because it helps to start or increase the labor. And trust me, when I was pregnant, I really wanted to do a delivery. I would drink everything what they give me, and they gave this to me. It was like a cocktail. Some girls are saying it's really disgusting, it's not working, and they don't want this. Me, I was really desperate. It was not bad. It was quite funny, the cocktail. The taste was of ananas, and it was working with me. I started to make a delivery of my daughter. I was lucky. Why? Because castor oil has a very high laxative properties. And to come back to the Benito Mussolini and the slaves in a colony of Great Britain. Well, those who survive this kind of punishment and humiliation, they really were saying that it was a hell. They were not able to leave the toilet. Laxative effect was absolutely humiliating them. It was a hell for them. Well, for me it was working. It was really working. But well, to come back to castor oil, if you don't want to drink this and you want to be beautiful, so beauty, where is the beauty? Well, we can use it directly on all our body, from feet until the top of the head. How? Well, at first, you can use it for your hair. Normally, if you will start to look for information how to apply castor oil on your hair, you will find lots of information to warm up a little bit, to make a gentle massage, put a plastic bag on your head, and then a towel and falling asleep with this, and then take a shower. Well, me, I am the mother, I work, and I have to do this in a fast way. So I just put a mask on my head. I make a massage on all lengths of the hair. I keep them for about 1 hour, and then I just take a shower. I wash it off, and it's really okay. I have to say it's really working. My hair are definitely in a better condition. They stop also to split at the ends. My hair really, they are really in a better condition, and it's something I can say because I did. It's not because somebody paid me to say this. It's like this. It's working with me. And this is one thing. And a second, well, the hair grow up faster. If you just cut them in a horrible way, you don't like what is happening, you want them to grow up, to be in a better situation, do this. Put castor oil regularly on your head, and trust me, you will see that they really grow up faster. Why? Because castor oil has acid omega-6 and a 9, which increase process of growing up of your hair. Now, another step, where you can put it. Skin of face and a body. Well, you can put it on your eyebrow and eyelashes. If you was making extension of your eyelashes and you just do a break now, because you see how it's ending, it's not so nice anymore, and you need to support somehow your eyelashes. You can take a toothbrush or special brush for eyelashes and apply this every evening before to go to sleep. You will really see the results. It's really helping. You can use it also to remove your makeup with OCM oil cleaning method. It's popular. Some people do this. You can do also with this technique. You know this technique, that oil, remove oil. But I would not use 100% castor oil. I would mix this with, I use things that I have at home. I use olive oil, I use also sunflower oil, which is very good for our skin. And if you will mix them, you can really do a good removing of your makeup at home with these oils. You can see also that the condition of the skin is better. And sometimes it's helping also with the acne, but this is quite personal things. It's a big topic also, and maybe I will speak about this in a different video about treatment of the skin with the acne. But well, to come back to the castor oil, you can put it also on your hands and the nails, especially if skin of your hands is red, crack. It's happening very often if you wash your hands often, or if it's a winter, if the hands are cold. It's helping also for your nails if they crack. It's happening to me quite often when I do something in a garden. My nails separate and it's not really wow. I try to rescue them with the castor oil, and here you can do the same like with the hair. You can just put in a bowl a few drops, really a few drops. It's completely economic, this oil, and to make a massage each of your nails, or you can put this in a heating to warm up a little bit, and do this and to apply the oil when it's a little bit more warmer. It's more nice, of course. Just the question is, do you have a time for this? Me, I don't. I do it in a fast way. And the last thing, the last most popular place that you can apply castor oil is, they are your feet. Castor oil is quite popular to fight against mycosis. It's really helping. You can put it on the skin of your feet, make a little bit of massage. You can wear your socks, you can go to sleep that it will be long lasting on your skin. And of course you have to repeat this, it's not one-time mission. But yes, it's helping. The same is with the cracking heel. You have to know that when I do a cream for the feet, for the cracking heels, I always give castor oil because it's really helping. If you don't do a cream by yourself, you can just directly take this oil and apply on your heels, which are cracking or they want to crack. This will provide, and this will really help in your problem. And finally, yes, you can use it in your DIY cosmetics. Like I said, I use it in the creams and I use it also in the soaps. Well, people look at many things when they want to use the bar of soap. They look at the size, at the shape, at the color, they smell. Okay, they bought, they have. But when they wash themselves, they expect the big foam. Because when you wash yourself, you want to see that you are washing yourself, that there is a nice foam. And foam we can achieve using chemical additive like SLS. But well, I don't do my own soaps to use a chemical shit, sorry for the word. I don't want to poison myself more. That's why I want something good and natural. So, to create a foam, it's next things that you think, next way that you can use in a natural way is, okay, I need to juggle between oils, and the one who gives me the biggest foam is a castor oil. I can't use him too much, because the more I give in a soap, the more foam is bigger. The more it creates a foam, of course, the more fast it will be washable. Your soap will disappear quite fast. You can even do soap only with the castor oil, but it will disappear really fast. That's why we mix this. And I have to say, to find a good balance, the good magic between foam, economic, I use percentage between 5 and 20. Mostly in the books you will find don't use more than 5% of castor oil in your soap. And yes, it's true. But me, I like a big foam. I can do this, and especially in the shampoos, I need more, because when you want to wash your hair, you need a castor oil. But like I said, it's very personal. This is my preference. I say this to you. You have a right to work in absolutely different way. Just, it's my opinion. This is how I do my soaps, how I do my recipes. If you like, the movie, please make a thumbs up and subscribe for the channel. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye!